guys, Plosh Schneider here with DecoArt's The Craft Minute, and I'm going to show you how to add glitter to your poured pieces and not have the glitter get lost. I went ahead and created a dirty cup pour with DecoArt's Fluid Art Ready to Pour. I just layered a few different colors, and there's no glitter in here, by the way, and I'm going to go ahead and dump that right onto this little wood piece here and start to tilt it around. And right about now, when you're not quite done tilting, is a great time to add your glitter. And you can add as little or as much as you'd like. And now you're going to continue tilting your canvas. And now you could see that the glitter looks completely organic and it did not get lost within your piece. I hope you like this tip and see you next time on The Craft Minute.